We are going to make a long raised bed without using any wood, bricks, or blocks. The best part is that we can make it almost for free by using the things that are already lying around in the garden. This type of bed is great for anyone who wants to grow vegetables or flowers without spending a lot of money. It also gives us soft, rich soil where plants can grow easily. First, we will select the place where we want our raised bed. It could be anywhere in the garden where sunlight is good. Most vegetables need at least 6 hours of sunlight, so we will choose a sunny area. Once we mark the space, we will start by cleaning it. We will remove all weeds, grass, and stones from the top. We will lightly scrape the surface with a shovel so we take out the little roots that may be hiding under the soil. This is important because if we leave weeds, they will fight for water and nutrients with our new plants. After cleaning the area, we will dig the upper layer of soil. Our soil is very hard and compacted right now because it has been sitting untouched for a long time. Digging will loosen the soil, allow more air inside, and help water reach deeper levels. Plants grow much better in loose soil because their roots can spread freely in all directions. It also helps small worms and microbes move around and do their job, which is improving the soil naturally. Next, we will take the decomposed cow dung chunks. They are dry and very hard to break by hand. So instead of struggling with them, we will simply put them on the bed. These chunks are like slow-release energy bars for the plants. They will break down slowly, feeding the soil steadily for months. Once the chunks are spread out, we will cover them with a nice thick layer of garden soil. Now the chunks are buried where they will stay moist and continue decomposing. After we have covered everything with soil, we will water the bed well. This watering helps settle the soil so it becomes firm and stable. Any spaces around the dung chunks will fill with soil once the water moves through it. We will leave the bed for a few hours so the soil can relax and settle naturally. This short waiting time makes a big difference in the final shape of the raised bed. Once the soil looks settled, we will sprinkle crushed charcoal over the top. Charcoal is great for soil because it holds onto nutrients and prevents them from washing away when we water the bed. Slowly, it releases the nutrients back to the plants, so nothing goes to waste. It also helps improve soil structure, making it more airy and less sticky. Now we will add a few more natural amendments to make the bed even richer. The first one is neem cake. Neem cake is a wonderful thing for gardens because it keeps harmful pests and bugs away without using any chemicals. It also helps the soil stay healthy. The second amendment is bone meal. Bone meal gives phosphorus and calcium to the plants, helping roots grow strong and steady. These two additions are not only helpful, but also safe for the environment. After spreading all the layers, we will take a shovel and gently mix the top part of the bed. We don't want to dig too deep because we want the dung chunks to stay buried. Our goal is just to make the top look smooth and evenly mixed. Then we will add a layer of fully decomposed manure. This time, we will use only the fine crumbly type, no big chunks. This top layer is like giving a fresh, nutrient-rich blanket to the soil. It gives immediate nutrition to the seeds when they start growing. It also makes the soil soft, so seedlings can easily push up and reach the sunlight. Now comes the best part, planting the seeds. We can choose vegetables like tomatoes, peppers, spinach, or whatever grows well in our season. We will plant them at the right depth, press the soil gently around them, and then give the bed a light watering. We don't want to drown the seeds. We just want to keep them moist so they can wake up and start growing.